that I did on how to root one of these puppies here. So I'm getting ready to show you how to do it. Let's see what's going on. Yep, I am online. Just checking my other camera to make sure everything's running. Alright, so as you see, it says running the Android operating system. And this is a Nook color. Barnes & Noble Nook color. Alright, things you're going to need for this process. At least a 4 gig card, a Windows computer, and then you're all set and running. Alright, so we're going to turn this off. As you see, there's the Google Play Store on the Nook, but I am going to redo this whole process so you guys got it. You definitely want to have your Nook color powered off before you start anything. So this is off now. Now remember, this is not going to affect your actual Nook. All you're doing is putting it on an SD card. And if I get this one out. Now I'm trying to hold my phone and do this at the same time, so kind of bear with me. That's just great. There we go. Thought I lost this little booger. Anyway, 8 gig, and as you can see, it is the HC edition. You might want to get an adapter. Most of them come with an adapter. If not, you can always get one. But you just pop that in there like that. Done. But so just to show you this hasn't affected the actual system itself, I will power this on, and as you see, without the card in there, that's what it starts out as. Read forever, and it goes through the whole process, and then the actual Nook itself powers up. Alright, so while that's doing that, let's go over here and do a few things. Yeah, as you see, that's powering up. Alright. Now what we will do is I'm going to take you over here to this computer. Alright, so the link that's in the description is this: filedropper.com/Nook color. What I've done is essentially when you open this folder up, this folder has all the files you will need. Okay, so let me take that out, and then you'll see the only files you're going to have in here are going to be these three. Now, these three files are going to be zip files, but you're going to need the rare extractor in order to extract the actual program. Now, this is very important. When you open the Nook color rare file, you're going to see these three. Do not extract the gaps. Do not extract this one. These two, do not leave these like they are. This generic SD card one, you're going to extract that to a folder, which it'll create its own folder, but when you extract it, it's going to give you an image file. Alright, so before you can do anything, you're going to need to get this, the Win32. It's a program. It's a free program, Win32 Disk Imager. I've already put that program in the description. If you All you got to do is put Win32 disk imager and it will come up. Alright, so now we're going to start this process. We're going to go here. And as always, pops right up. Now, I suggest, I have Macs, but if you can get a hold to a Windows computer, please do so. We have several computers here that we use for various things. So here we go. We are getting ready to, as you see, this is the one we're doing that has the information on it. We're gonna right click on it. Oh, this is difficult trying to hold this phone, but I'll do it. Then you go to format, and then you start. And it's gonna ask you, do you want to erase everything? You go to OK. Let it do its thing. Now, the reason why I did this is because a lot of the videos I saw, they will tell you, oh yeah, you can go here, you can go there. Now, this is, and I want to show you guys this. All right, so here you go. You're here I mean, I love XDA developers. I've been a long time member back before the iPhone was out and everybody was using imported phones because they had the best technology. All right, so the average person will not, and I'm just going to be honest with you, you're not going to be able to find the correct file. You're going to get frustrated. I mean, it's a whole lot of tech talk that will really, it'll piss you off if you don't know what you're doing. Anyway, so I tried to make this as simple and as painful less as possible. All right, so now what we're doing is, now that you have wiped it clean, what you're gonna do now, you've only extracted the generic. See, this is the only file from those 3 original files that you will extract. And we'll do it just for the sake of doing it right there. And then you can open it with whatever you want, but you can extract the files here, and we will do it just it's the generic one. That's the only one you need to do. This one right here. So we've already done it. We can skip that step. Extract it. Go here. Open it up. Make sure it's there. It is. Now you're gonna start this program. Win32 disk imager. Start it. Excuse me. And now it's gonna ask you for a file. Now this is usually set where wherever your destination you want it to go to, it's primarily always set. So you should not have to fool with that at all. Then you're gonna go to click this, click your folder icon right there, because you want to find the image file, and that's the one that we have on the desktop already extracted. So, and we're doing the generic disk image file, and this is the one. And you can double click it or just highlight it and open. Now the file's in there. Now we're gonna write. Alright, here we go. Doesn't take long. yeah, it's just very frustrating to see a whole bunch of videos and you can't accomplish it. And I'm not that person, so I figured I'd show you guys. Now, as you see, we got the regular Nook going on here. And this is what the Nook looks like without it being hacked. So, you know, it's pretty bland, pretty bland. Um, you know, just really bland. Um, and I mean, it's just regular. Anyway, so write was successful. Click OK. You want to exit that program. Now, this is important. All right. So remember, in that Nook color folder, you should have still two files, these two at the bottom, that you did not open. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to highlight them, and we're going to copy these, and another thing, once it's done, I don't want to skip anything, so you guys are with me on the same page. Once your SD card is done, when you go here to this PC, my computer, however yours is set up, when you go here and you double click to see your SD card, you should see 4 files. That's it. Do not do anything to those. Alright, so now we're going to add those other 2 files that I previously copied. We're going to paste them. And again, the files that are being transferred over are the 2 files that were unzipped in the original Nook Color Rare package that you downloaded. Now you will need WinRAR, which is free. It's a free program and it doesn't cost you anything. Alright, so that's done. Now the 2 files that we just copied into this SD card are these 2 files. That's it. Do not extract them. Don't do anything. Close it out. Then eject your card. Alright. Give it a second. This thing has a mind of its own at times. It's safe to remove. Pull it on out. Alright, so now I have to turn off the Nook. Power it off. Alright, so it's off. Flip it over. Getting pretty good with this one-handed. Spoke too soon, I guess. There we go. It's a tight spot. This is one of the oddest spots that I've ever seen a memory card go into, but whatever. Didn't cost us anything, just a little bit of work to get it updated. Alright, so once that's done, hit the power button. And if you did it correctly, you will see the following. Now, this process is going to take a minute, so I will kindly leave you guys to watching the fun stuff, and I will be back. Yep. And again, I want you guys to see all of it in its entirety. So there, as it does its loading, it's gonna load a lot of files. You need make sure you got at least a 4 gig card. I tried the 2 gig card, did not work. We'll come back and check on you guys in a little bit. And it's still going. Right on time. It's getting ready to shut down. All right. Now it's shut down. You want to turn it back on? Now, when you first get to this part, it usually takes forever. It seemed like it took me 5 minutes, 6 minutes when I first did this. So, It's not too bad this time around, which is good. And there we go. You can choose your language. Just scroll and then it'll pick. You can pick your language. Once you pick your language, boom, and boom. Then you just go in and you set the rest of it up. You're good to go. There's part 2. Alright guys, this is the second time I've done it and I've been successful twice. Again, Nook color. Nook color. Give me a second. Well, actually, I'm done with this video. See you when I see you. Peace.